Sometimes while writing a program, we may encounter statements like this. We may need to process a mutable variable with another value in addition to its own value. In our example, we add an equalize to the same variable again. In such cases, we use compound assignment expressions. Let's immediately edit our variable to be a compound assignment expression. As you can see, the result has not changed. Let's turn it into a multiplication this time. You can apply compound assignment expressions to any remaining arithmetic operator, including division, subtraction, and modulation. Apart from that, bitwise operators can be represented as compound assignment expressions. Let's try it right away with XOR operator. As you know, same values will return 0, different values will return 1 bits. Let's prove the value on the screen with a calculator. I write decimal numbers as 3, XOR, and 2. The result returned us a decimal 1. You can switch to hexadecimal notation by clicking the radix 16 and to decimal notation by clicking the radix n button. You can find the complete list of compound assignment operators in Rust reference documentation.